Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to allow duplicate item names in Zoho Box. So let's start. Open your Zoho Box, go to the left hand side and click on the second option, items, then click on the items and you can see the all item list display. Then go to the right hand side, click on the more action, three dots and click on the preference settings option. And here in setting in general tab, have a duplicate item name option and allow the duplicate item name. Just click on this box. And you can see one notes here mentioned. Before you enable this option, make the SKU field active and mandatory. So I go to the field customization and you can see SKU field. Click on this arrow and click on the mark as active and again click on is mark as a mandatory. Okay, after that go to the general tab and here now click on the allow duplicates item name. Okay, now just click on the save and that's it. Your item preference has been saved. So this is a way you can allow duplicate item names in Zoho Books. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.